provide bypass. Just a minute. Provide bypass with valve right across the FM. If the FM
This point is put there, right?
Okay.
During commissioning anything, client want you have to do it before handwork. If you do now or any time,
It is there.
yeah.
sir. Okay. So what can you please read it? Provide bypass with valve across the FM if the FM type is insert in the pipeline. If it is on the pipeline, I don't need. But if it is inside the pipeline, there should be some provision, otherwise there will be struggle. Good point. I remove this. Yeah. That is correct. No. Oh, after 5 minutes fight, huh? Okay.
What time is the break? This is the important part of HAZOP. What time is the break? 10:45? Break. We have a break time.
Break.
No, complete low flow.
Let us no flow complete then. Because we are very slow. Huh? Today we have to complete 5 nodes till 8 p.m.
I don't think
Okay. SG407401A, SG401A, A/B.
Then go to inlet box as well.